Is Final Cut Pro still worth it in 2025? Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to discuss whether or not Final Cut Pro is actually worth it as a video or a visual editor in 2025 instead of just the default free trial version. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. If you've been wanting to purchase the premium version of Final Cut Pro, by the way, before asking such questions, you always have to check if the application fits your needs as a creator or an editor. So they also offer you a free trial. So if you think you want to apply and check whatever you can do in the free trial, if it fits your needs, that's perfectly fine. You can purchase the free trial version, and later on, if you think it's for you, you can buy it. But other than that, it is generally considered a good, worthwhile investment for video editors, particularly those on a Mac, due to its speed, intuitive interface, and powerful features. However, the worth that you mention of Final Cut Pro depends on individual needs and priorities, with factors like budget, desired workflow, and specific project requirements playing a significant role. Now, the reasons why the Final Cut Pro is often considered worth it is because Final Cut Pro is optimized for Mac hardware and Apple Silicon, allowing for fast editing and rendering even with complex projects. And the user-friendly interface, particularly the magnetic timeline, can streamline the editing process and improve workflow. It also has a one-time purchase. Unlike subscription-based alternatives, Final Cut Pro is a one-time purchase, which can be cost-effective in the long run if you click on the buy option right over here, right? So you can see it's a one-time purchase. And it also has other strong third-party plugin support and Apple ecosystem integration, along with other things. So that's all for this video. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and as always, see you soon in our next video.